McDonald's just fired their entire marketing department. 7 AI agents now do what 47 humans used to do, and they're 300% more effective. By 2026, this won't be the exception, it'll be the rule. Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with one AI system that handles 2.3 million conversations monthly. Imagine walking into your office tomorrow and half the desks are empty, not because people quit, but because algorithms took over. Companies using AI agents report 67% cost reduction and 89% faster execution times, and it gets crazier. But here's what nobody is telling you. They're not just replacing individual jobs anymore. Remember when Netflix killed Blockbuster? This is bigger. Whole departments are disappearing overnight, and most employees have no idea it's coming. Shopify's Sidekick AI agent now handles inventory management, customer insights, and marketing campaigns that used to require entire teams. One AI agent is literally doing the work of 15 specialists. That's like replacing your entire neighborhood with one superpowered house. The scary part? It never sleeps, never takes breaks, and learns from every interaction. But wait until you hear about the agent swarms. Companies are now deploying multiple AI agents that work together like a digital hive mind. Anthropic's latest case study shows one insurance company using 12 specialized agents, one for claims processing, another for fraud detection, one for customer outreach. The result? They processed 340,000 claims in the time it used to take for 50,000. These agents communicate with each other in milliseconds, making decisions that human teams would debate for hours. It's like having a team of experts who share one brain and work at light speed. And there's something even more unsettling coming. The creative extinction event is already happening. Jasper AI now writes entire marketing campaigns, Midjourney creates brand visuals, and Synthesia produces video content, all without human input. One startup replaced their entire creative agency with AI tools and saw engagement rates jump 156%. Creative directors who made $150K a year are being replaced by 50 a month subscriptions. We're not talking about simple tasks anymore. These AI agents are making strategic decisions that used to require years of experience. Imagine telling Don Draper that a robot could create better ads than he could. That robot exists, and it's already working. Here's the plot twist nobody saw coming. The survivors aren't who you'd expect. While everyone feared blue-collar jobs would disappear first, it's middle management getting decimated. AI agents excel at coordination, reporting, and decision-making, the core of management roles. Goldman Sachs predicts 25% of current work tasks will be automated by AI agents within 18 months. The jobs disappearing fastest: project managers, data analysts, and junior consultants, exactly the roles people thought were AI-proof. It's like the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs, but instead of wiping out the biggest creatures, it's targeting the ones in the middle of the food chain. The trillion-dollar question: what happens to human workers? Some companies are going full agent first, hiring one human supervisor for every 10 AI agents. Others are creating hybrid teams where humans handle relationships while AI handles execution. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most companies are choosing pure AI replacement because the economics are too compelling to ignore. Why pay $60,000 a year when you can pay $600? We're witnessing the fastest workforce transformation in human history, and most people are sleepwalking through it. Here's what I want to know. Are you preparing for this shift, or are you hoping it won't affect your industry? Drop a comment and tell me how AI is already changing your workplace, because the companies adapting fastest are the ones that'll survive. If this opened your eyes to what's really coming, hit subscribe. Next week, I'm revealing which jobs will be completely immune to AI replacement, and the list will shock you. The age of AI agents isn't coming in 2026, it's already here. The only question is whether you'll adapt or become irrelevant. Remember, in the war between humans and efficiency, efficiency always wins.